Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear members, today we are going to learn about the farais of prayer and the wajibat of prayer. First of all, we should must know about the difference between farais and wajibat. Farais are the things which are compulsory to do in namaz, and the wajibat are the things which are also compulsory to do in namaz, but there is a little bit difference between the farais and wajibat. Farais are the things if you forget to do in prayer, so your prayer will not acceptable. And if you forget to offer something from wajibat namaz, then still you have a chance to complete your current prayer with the addition of sajda sahab. Now the question is, what is sajda sahab? I will tell you it at the end of the video. Now we are going to learn about the farais of prayer. First one is takbir tahrima. It's mean Allahu Akbar, the takbir wherefrom we start our prayer. The second one is qiyam. Qiyam mean to stand while the recitation of Holy Quran. Third one is qiraat. Qiraat mean qiyam is the first where you stand in the prayer, and the qiraat is the first where you not only have to stand, rather you have to recite the Holy Quran, at least three verses from the Holy Quran, or a single long verse from the Holy Quran. The fourth one is Raku. The perfect position of Raku is on your screens. You can pause your screen to watch the perfect position. And the fifth one is Sujood. You can also watch the perfect position for Sujood on your screens. And the sixth and the last one is Qadai Akhira. It means when you sit in the prayer after sujood and recite At-Tahiyyatu Lillahi wa Salawatu up to so on, so that is your position is Qadai Akhira. It's also compulsory to do in prayer. If you will not, so your prayer will not consider perfect. Now there is a list of wajibate namaz. First one is to recite the Suratul Fatih from the Holy Quran. It's from Wajibat Namaz. Remember one thing, to recite any surah from the Holy Quran is from Farais, and to recite Suratul Fatih especially is from Wajibat Namaz. Then the second one is recite any three verses from the Holy Quran after the recitation of Suratul Fatih in the Qiyam position. Then Qadai Ula mean if you are going to offer the prayer of four rags, so you have to do two Qada. First one is Qadai Ula and the second one is Qadai Akhira. And I told you that what is Qada basically. So the Qadai Ula is from Wajibate Namaz and the Qadai Akhira is from Faraize Namaz. Remember one thing, in the Qiyam position you have to recite Suratul Fatih first, then you have to recite any three other verses. First you have to recite Suratul Fatih, and it's also from Wajibat Namaz. And the next one is to sit for a while between the two sujood. It's also from Wajibat Namaz. You may notice that some people for both sujood very quickly without differentiate them. So it's compulsory to sit for a little while between two sujood. And the last one is to say Assalam. After the recitation of Yawma Yakumul Hisab, you have to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So the word Assalam is from Wajibate Namaz, mean you must have to say the word Assalam to complete your prayer. So these are the Wajibate Namaz. Forget anything from Wajibate Namaz to do in your prayer, and you suddenly remember that you forgot to do that thing, so you can perform Sajda Sahab current namaz, and inshallah ta'ala your prayer will perfect. So now the question is how to perform Sajda Sahab. In Qadai Akhira, after when you decide ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu, you have to say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah while moving your face at the right side. Then you have to perform two sujood, and then you have to start from the very beginning, at-tahiyyatu lillahi wa salawatu, and then at up to so on yawma yakumul hisab. Then you have to say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So it's the basically method of sajda sahab. One time again I remember you that if you forget to do any farz from fries, so your prayer will not perfect. And if you forget something from wajibat namaz, so your prayer can be good or complete by performing sajda sahab. So I think you may learn so many new things from this video. If you have any Islamic questions, you can comment now, or you can comment to me, or you can ask me from my Facebook page Bilal bin Nazir. The link of my previous video where I told the racks of prayer, number of racks and number of prayers is also given in the description. And if you want to learn complete prayer with animated form, so the link of animated form prayer in English is also in the description. You can watch, you can also watch, and must share this video with your friends, English speaker friends, so they also can learn as you. Thank you.